Hey everyone, Mark Martinez here. I am your membership director for the VA Rep Las Vegas chapter. I am here in the southwest part of Las Vegas at Distill. We are having our 2022 membership kickoff mixer and membership meeting. We really want to thank our membership for joining us tonight, our event sponsors for making this happen, Monarch Property Management, Win Home Inspections, and Ellie Morris at Signature Real Estate. Also our annual sponsors, LVR, the Las Vegas Association of Realtors, and First American Title. We really appreciate all the help that they provided. What we're doing tonight is just gathering after the pandemic. You know, mixers haven't been a big thing, so we're back. We want to show the town, the Las Vegas community that VA Rep is back. We're better than ever, and we're ready to take on anything that gets pushed our way. As you guys know, VA Rep is all about getting back to the veteran and helping those veterans that need our service. So the call to action today is, if you're not a member, become a member. If you want to donate to a great cause. Who doesn't love a veteran? Who doesn't have a family member or know somebody who's a veteran? I'm a patriot. I have a brother who is a Marine, and I'm very proud of that, and I'm very proud to be on this board.
These are folks that volunteered, they went out, and they served our country, and all we're asking you to do is give us 3 or 4 hours of your time on one Saturday to give back to them.
As you guys know, we love VA Rep. I love seeing familiar faces, but most importantly, I love seeing these new faces out here. If you're not a member, I know the girls have already told you, you can sign up. And I have your business card and your contact information. If you're not a member, you will be hearing from me. So just be ready. Thank you guys again, and have a great evening.